Hello future denizens, I am Amitesh Shah, the current mess secretary of Boys Hostel. Today I will be talking about the food options here. There has been a negative perception that hostel food is very bad, and thanks to web series like Kota Factory. I know hostel food is a very big consideration before taking the decision whether to take the hostel or not. Even when I was joining my hostel, I have asked many seniors whether I should join the hostel, whether the food is good or not. But you guys don't have to worry. I will clarify every doubt. To all those who cannot watch long videos, if I have to answer in a single line whether you should take the hostel on the basis of the food or not, I will say you should definitely take the hostel because the food is best here. Even in PGs where the price is in the range of 25 to 30,000, you won't get food like this. Before talking about the food, let me explain you a bit about the position of the mess secretary. A third year student can stand for this post and is elected from a pool of the third year students. For one to stand for this post, he must have at least 70% aggregate marks. Talking about the duties of the mess secretary, it's much more than just creating the menus. You have to decide upon the various vendors from which we will taking the food. For example, the vendor for vegetable, the vendor for milk, etc. Also, at the end of the month, we have to check whether all the bills are in the proper place or not. One of the most difficult tasks is definitely to decide upon the menu. We have students from across the country and even from other countries. So, mess secretary has to face lots of criticism because you cannot satisfy everyone. But the goal is, or the end objective is, to create that balance so that everyone is satisfied at the end. The mess bill is not constant, but it's kind of variable. On average, if I have to speak, then per month the cost comes to 6,000, which includes the electricity bill and the water charges too. Per day cost comes to around in between 120 to 150 rupees. Now let's talk about the main thing here, the food itself. So you will be served breakfast from 8:15 to 9:15. Then you will be served lunch from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. and then there will be the dinner from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. The best thing about the food is definitely the breakfast. You will have various options here. So there is a fixed component and there are variables. For fixed things which are constant for 7 days of the week, you will get cornflakes, bread, butter, jam, milk, tea or coffee. Now talking about the variable part, you will get a unique food each day of the week. There are options such as samosa, macaroni, poha, aloo parathe, paneer parathe, etc. For lunch, you will get rice, salad, dal, different kind of vegetable every day, and one raita of different kind, or it may be nimbu pani, or on one day there is always a moong ka halwa. Also, one unique dish which I introduced was the fruit raita, which is I think the best favorite dish of every student. I hope when you will come you will enjoy the dish. Now talking about the dinner, the structure is similar to that of lunch. You will get one dal, one sabji, and then there will be milk or one sweet dish. There will be also fruit, custard and different options. One thing which I would like to talk about is that of roti. You will be served hot roti every time. But the thing is, I won't deny that the quality of roti is not that much good, and as a mess secretary I have failed to do justice to that. I hope the future mess secretaries will improve the quality of rotis for you. Also for non-veg lovers like me, you will get chicken twice a week, that is on Wednesday and Friday. But you have to pay an additional cost of 90 every time you eat. And you know what is the best thing? You will actually find paneer in paneer ka sabji. And sometimes it happens that paneer quantity में बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता है और gravy कम पड़ जाती है. And you will actually find dal in dal. And be assured, if sometimes even the taste of the food is not that good, the quality is 100% good because every ingredient comes from a good company and we authorize from which vendor the food will come from. Like we always have branded food items. Let me give you the tour of the dining hall. So this is the place where you will be sitting and having your food. Now let me give you a tour of the kitchen as well. This is the place where our foods are good. These are the main cook where we will go. मेन को क्या 3 स्टार 4 स्टार 5 स्टार सब खाना भैया बनाते हैं। ये हमारे प्रवीण भैया हैं, हमारे फेवरेट भैया। जी आपको खाना सर्व करेंगे इनके साथ। अमन भैया आओ एक बार। आ जाओ। सुंदर भैया ये हमारे फेवरेट स्टाफ हैं जो आपको खाना सर्व करेंगे एकदम गर्मा गर्म। बोलो भैया मेस सेक्रेटरी के बारे में कैसे?
हमारा मेस सेक्रेटरी है, बच्चों के बारे में कम सोचता, अपने बारे में ज़्यादा सोचता है। और दूसरी बात ये है कि बच्चे पहले खाते हैं, ये मतलब बच्चे बाद में खाते हैं, ये पहले खाता है। और जिस दिन चिकन होता है किसी को मिले ना मिले मगर इसको सबसे पहले मिलना चाहिए। और साथ में ग्रेवी 1 प्लेट की 2 प्लेट की होती है।
हमारी आपके बारे में सोचता है, बच्चों के बारे में सोचता है। ऐसा हो
मेस सेक्रेटरी ऐसा हो, आने वाला मेस सेक्रेटरी ऐसा हो हमारी दूसरी 2 छुट्टी करा दे,
एक जो 20 साल का है
और जो मेस सेक्रेटरी बने हमारी 2 करवा दे।
चलो अभी तो बोला मैं मेस सेक्रेटरी।
अरे बेस्ट ऑफ द बेस्ट मेस सेक्रेटरी है ये।
यहाँ पे हमारा फूड स्टोर होता है। भैया का रिलेवेंस स्किल सिखा भैया का कटिंग का। अबे आगे तो जा, प्याज काटते बेटा। चलो भैया कोई भैया चेहरा तो दिखाओ। अभी सोते सो लो। आना भी आपको वीडियो में आना है। बोलेंगे आप हमारे कुक आ जाओ जाओ। अरे बैठ जाओ। ये है हमारे दूसरे मेन कुक, बहुत अच्छा खाना बनाते हैं। ये भी 5 स्टार 6 स्टार 7 स्टार खाना बनाते हैं। बोलिए भैया सेक्रेटरी बढ़िया कि नहीं? बहुत बढ़िया। बोलिए कब बहुत बढ़िया। मैं जबरदस्ती नहीं बोलवा रहा हूँ, भैया खुद बोल रहे हैं। थैंक यू। भाई इसका बना ले तो बहुत सेक्सी लग रहा है। फ्रूट रायता का बना मेरे बारे में नाराज है मेरे से।
गुड मॉर्निंग तो बोलते कम से कम मैं नहीं बोलता।
Good morning. Today is Sunday and we have sandwiches for our breakfast. Besides sandwich, we have boiled eggs. You can have unlimited number of boiled eggs as well as the sandwich, of course, for the simple reason. Also, we get fruits for most days of the week. Usually, it's 5 days a week. You get different kinds of fruit, be it banana or since it is Sunday, since it is summer, we also have that mango. For lunch, we have chole bhature and my favorite and everyone's favorite, the fruit raita. Cold coffee. So finally for dinner we have veg fried rice and this aloo matar ki sabji, and for non-vegetarians you even get 2 pieces of this egg, and favorite thing, cold coffee.
खाना तो ठीक ही होता है, मेस के हिसाब से तो बहुत अच्छा खाना है। और बाकी पीजी में जाओगे तो इससे तो बढ़िया ही खाना मिलेगा। खाना तो ठीक ही है, मतलब अच्छा खाना होता है। और इम्प्रूवमेंट अगर तुम्हें कुछ चाहे तो तुम बता ही सकते हो, अगर सबका प्रेफरेंस मायने रखता है ना, क्योंकि हमारे यहाँ फॉरेन स्टूडेंट्स भी है, बाहर से भी स्टूडेंट आते हैं, तो उनका भी थोड़ा ख्याल रखना पड़ता है। उनको जो पसंद है ना पसंद है वैसा भी खाना रखना पड़ता है। और कुछ चेंजेस हो तो जैसे गर्मी में कोल्ड ड्रिंक आ जाती है, ठंडी के हिसाब से वैसे खाना होता है, तो खाना तो ठीक ही होता है।
One point which I would like to say is that when you come here for the first time, you will like it very much, but once you get used to the taste, in like 1 or 2 months, you may start to dislike it, and that's why we have mess secretaries who keep changing the mess every month or so. But there will come a time when you will run out of options. By that time, you will have to adjust it.
तो मैं प्रतीक हूँ और मैं 2 साल से बॉयज़ हॉस्टल में रह रहा हूँ। तो इस साल मेस काफ़ी इम्प्रूव हुआ है। लास्ट ईयर हम लोग जो खाना खाते थे वो हमारे गले से निकलता भी नहीं था, क्योंकि हमारा मेस सेक्रेटरी बेसिकली था ही नहीं, और वो घर चला जाता था जब भी उसका मन करता था। लेकिन आज अभी जो नए मेस सेक्रेटरी है अमितेश, वो बहुत एक्टिव रहते हैं, और उनकी वजह से ब्रेकफास्ट भी बहुत इम्प्रूव हुआ है और मेस एक्सपेंसेस भी बहुत कम हुए हैं। और जब से फ्रूट राइता इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ है तो चांदी हो गई है, तो जैसे आप जानते ही हैं।
सबसे बेस्ट चीज़ जो हुआ है कि लाइक हम लोग मीम्स में देखते हैं कि खाना अच्छा नहीं हुआ, कि रोटी जल गया या चावल गंदा है, ऐसा वैसा। तो अगर कभी हो भी जाता है मेस वालों से तो इमीडिएटली वो चेंज हो जाता है, मतलब या तो उसी टाइम हो जाएगा या अगली जस्ट डिनर में हुआ तो अगले मॉर्निंग में एकदम परफेक्ट हो जाएगा।
अच्छा, किसके मैथ्स के खाने की बात हो रही है ना, तो यार देख, मेरा पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस है। एक सेमेस्टर में बाहर भी रहा हूँ तो मुझे पता है, मैंने टिफ़िन का खाना भी ट्राई किया एंड मेड का खाना भी ट्राई किया, तो उनके कंपेयर में हॉस्टल का खाना बेस्ट है।
Yeah, I think the best thing about mess food is that you get your food on time, and the meals are very nice, and the best thing about the food here is the breakfast, I'm sure, because for me, I am very health conscious, so I'm able to get all the right things in my diet. So yeah.
So regarding the mess review, I think some of the cuisines were inclined towards my interest, but some cuisines like paneer and everything were unlimited, whereas in my boarding school I didn't have that option, and some dishes like chapati and all were not that much towards my interest. Thank you.
According to me, mess food is very good as compared to PG food. Roti can be more better, but I think overall I will give 4 marks out of 5.
मैं अपनी बात करूं तो मैं पर्सनली कभी पीजी में नहीं रहा हूं, बट मैंने फ्रेंड से सुना है कि पीजी के कंपैरिजन में काफ़ी अच्छा है खाना। घर से कंपेयर करूं तो ऑब्वियसली उतना अच्छा नहीं है, बट हाँ, अगर टाइम की बात करें तो लोग बोलते हैं कि फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी नहीं है, बट मेरे को लगता है अगर एक फिक्स टाइमिंग आप रख रहे हो तो उससे हमारे टाइम टेबल में भी एक स्केड्यूल आता है, एक फिक्स टाइमिंग आती है, जिससे हमारा पूरा डे का रूटीन भी अच्छा होता है।
The suggestion that I would like to give to the next mess secretary or anyone who comes and takes this place in the next year is that try to minimize the foods which are outsourced from like outside hotels. Like these are the things which add to the cost of like the meals in the mess.
So hello guys, हॉस्टल का फूड कॉलेज में आने से पहले जैसे मैंने सोचा था उससे तो काफ़ी अच्छा है। अगर पीजीज और फ्लैट्स कंपेयर किया जाए तो उसका कोई कंपैरिजन नहीं है। हॉस्टल इज़ मच बेटर। खाना थोड़ा रिपीटेटिव है, बट द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट हेल्दी है।
Hi, I'm Nevan. I'm from Meghalaya, and my reviews on the mess food is, well, of course, it does not fit my palate compared to the food that I have back at home, and it's a bit suited towards North Indian, like the cuisine and all. It's a lot of masala and oil and all that. So that's just my detailed and honest review.
Hello everyone, I'm Hatim and I'm from Kerala. So about the mess, it's like, what do you say, subjective. For me, I did find it difficult at the beginning. It was like the food is obviously more oriented towards the northern people, and it was hard to adjust. And then, as said, like some food are like oily and masala, so it's kind of difficult to eat, and then at times you don't even feel like eating it, so you just skip the mess and then you lose the weight. And I've personally lost 5 kilos being here, but still, yeah, obviously there are good items in the menu as well. I obviously have to mention that, but then yeah, most of the times it's a bit difficult.
Yeah, good evening everyone. My name is Malor David Guy. I'm from South Sudan in Africa. Yeah, I've been here in the hostel for the last 3 years, and my experience in most of the things have all been okay, including the mess. I've been enjoying the mess, the mess food since I came here. Though I faced some challenges when I was coming, but it was not that the mess food was not good. It was that the food was different from what is in my country. So I've been working hard with the mess secretaries who have been here, including Amtish. So we work hard to ensure that the international students have to take good food, of which he has been ensuring to us. So we enjoyed that, and we thank him for everything. So for the overall food, we are enjoying it, and if there are things that have to be changed, I don't think there will be anything, because most of the things have been in place. We have enjoyed the breakfast. Breakfast have been nice, especially me. I've been enjoying the breakfast more than anything else, plus the chickens. So everything has been nice to me, and that's what I can recommend to everyone who is going to watch this one. So thank you so much, and we hope to see you next time.